couple weeks ago, we did a yam chow fried rice recipe, and in there, we asked you guys if you wanted to see a certain dish made, and what was that, Ma?
Rice cooker char siu.
And because so many of you have asked, we made it a priority to get this done and film for you. So that's what we're doing today.
Yes, you got it.
First off, we're using pork belly here today, but you can use any cut you want. Most takeaways are obviously going to be using pork collar, or sometimes called neck shoulder.
Yeah, that's right.
But this is your favourite, isn't it?
Yeah, this is our favorite, so we use belly pork instead of the pork collar.
Yeah. Why is
Shoulder.
Why is that? Because
They got fat on it, but
Yeah.
this one hasn't got a lot of fat, quite lean.
Mum's favourite is the fat. I'm not so keen on it. But this is about 500 grams, so in this goes.
And go into the rice pot.
So this couldn't be simpler. We've got sugar here. You can use brown sugar. In fact, if you've got muscovado sugar, dark muscovado sugar, that works really well for this.
Some salt. Hashtag MSG massive.
Yeah.
I nailed it now.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, and you nailed nailing it.
5 spice.
Go easy on the 5 spice because it's quite strong. Lots of people want to overdo it, and a lot of people, they say they can't replicate that flavour at home because you're overdoing the 5 spice. If you just have 5 spice, all you're going to taste is 5 spice. Like everything will be gone.
Yeah, that's right.
And goes that 5 spice. And get good quality Chinese 5 spice, not the stuff you get in the supermarket shelves. It's very different. Red food colouring.
Yep.
Hoisin sauce. A drop of sesame oil.
And some rice wine.
Yeah. Char Siu rice wine. Not the same as rice wine vinegar. They're two completely different things. And I'm just going to put a drop of extra oil into this. This is optional, but it will give the food a more glossy look at the end.
Yep.
Now, because this is pork belly, it doesn't need velveting via bicarb, does it, Ma?
No, this one. No.
But if I was going to do this with chops, I would probably add like a 6 teaspoon of bicarb in there, in the marinade itself, to make sure that beef does make sure that the pork doesn't dry out and stays tender. Do you want to mix that together?
Yeah. Get water. I forgot.
Oh yeah, I forgot the water. And obviously some water.
Yeah.
You really want to make sure this is mixed in well. Then you're going to distribute it evenly across the bottom of the base.
Yeah, that's right. And just let it sit.
We're just going to put a lid on it, whack this in the fridge and let it rest for about 30 minutes. You don't actually have to do that. It just tastes way better, doesn't it, Ma?
Yes.
Yeah.
If you haven't had time, you can just
Go with it straight away.
go in it straight away.
Yeah, but if you have the spare half hour, by all means, do this.
Yeah.
Let it sit overnight, actually, if you want best results. And this dish couldn't be easier. Easy like a Sunday morning.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, so...
Is Sunday morning easy? Who make that up?
No, they're never easy. I'm normally hungover, so it's not an easy morning for me. Back to the kitchen. Okay, so now we have our pork.
Marinated.
We're going to put it into the...
Rice cooker.
I thought you were going to say it straight away then. Is it on?
And yep, switch it on.
Switch it on and put it to...
Cook.
So we're going to let this cook for 15 minutes. Then we're going to open it up, turn the meat over, and then let it cook until it pings.
Yes.
So easy.
That's right. I see you.
Do you want to try singing the song? No, not today.
No, I haven't got song today. It's all used up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll be back in
A little while.
well, seconds for you guys,
Yeah.
but probably about half an hour for us.
Yes.
So the rice cooker has literally just clicked.
Just pop. You could smell that now.
Yeah. Do you want to turn it, Matt?
Yeah.
See, it's got that lovely...
Caramelize.
Yeah. You could, if you wanted to, is pop a little bit of extra water in there, put it back on the cook so both sides will be like caramelized. We're not going to do that today.
No, look at that. Oh, come on then.
Also, that sauce on the bottom is
Yeah.
really concentrated.
Then you can turn off your rice cooker.
Yeah, we're just going to take this out. I'd suggest not to do that normally because this is hot, but I'm a chef, so I'm used to it.
Good.
It does look good. And we're going to dish this up with some steamed rice on top of,
On a bed of rice.
Thank you. With some cucumber, probably going to be shredded. Probably
And?
going to have chillies on the side of though. We're going to wait for this to cool down because Char Siu is traditionally eaten at room temperature. You can of course eat it hot if you want, but if you let it cool down, those flavours really do sort of, what's the word?
Infuse into it.
Yeah, infuse. Or I was going to say they develop into a much richer flavour.
There you are.
We'll get on to the trying.
Rice cooker char siu. Oh, it's making me hungry now.
So look at that. Really, really delicious. We haven't actually had the time to let it cool down today. We're just going to cut it as it is, aren't we, Ma?
Yes.
And you want to cut it at like a 45-degree angle, because that will give you like a longer slice.
Look at that. Could smell it now.
Yeah, my mouth's watering.
Ooh.
Mum just pushed me out the way. Yeah, that was lovely and fatty for you, isn't it?
Yes. Should we lay on top now?
Yeah. But
Wow, amazing.
yeah, look at that. And here we have it. We do have actually the barbecue sauce, which is what is left in here. This is quite thick in itself. If you want to use that, just add a little bit of water in there to make a little sauce. Just
Yes.
some hot water.
That's right.
Actually, I'll show you that. So you just got your rice cooker with your sauce in. You just mix it like that. Now, even with this little bit of water in, it's still going to be quite concentrated, so don't use loads.
Yeah, add a bit at a time, okay?
Yeah. So for us in this example, we're just going to
Yeah, drizzle away.
just a little bit. And now we're going to try it, aren't we, Ma?
Yes.
Chilies?
Yes.
I'm going to try without chili first.
Yep.
That bangs hard.
Yes.
Yes, does it, Ma?
Yeah, it does. It's quick and simple. This day we haven't got a lot much time. Some of us haven't got that much time, so this is just perfect for you to follow.
So good. I'm going to get some chili now.
And the cucumber actually make a difference.
I actually hate cucumber, but when it's with like street food like this, it has a completely different flavour.
Yeah, the combination and the rice and the pork and the sauce, everything.
I've got to get it in my mouth, can't get it in there fast enough. You can also, if you don't eat pork, chicken thigh works really well for this.
Yeah.
In fact, in Brunei, where Mum's from, there's no pork to be sold, so they use chicken instead of char siu.
Instead of pork.
Instead of pork, sorry, yeah.
Really good. Thank you for taking your time to watch our video and practice doing it.
Yeah. Also, I reckon once you get this, you've tried this recipe once, you'll be making it once a week at least.
Yes, and you can freeze it though.
Yeah. You can make it bulk
Yes.
make the pork and then freeze it. Yeah, 100%.
All depends on how big is your rice cooker though. But this size rice cooker, I think is about 2 liter rice cooker, about 500 gram of meat in there. But if you want to try double, you can try increase your quantity of whatever it was listed below here. Okay.
In regards to the frozen ready meals, we are well ahead of the schedule of the 8 weeks, so they should either be going out the week that this is airing or the week after. We're quite literally just waiting for the artwork and the sleeves for the packaging to turn up, because everything else is done. And when we can start shipping the pre-orders, and if you want to go pre-order now, it's at coolasia.com. I'll put the link below, but you will be able to pick up from our premises. It will be like a set time slot where you can come pick up, but we're going to be doing that so for people visiting or for locals who want to come and pick up and not have to worry about the postage charges, which is a huge relief for us as well, because we don't have to worry about paying those postage charges on top. So that function will be coming soon. Anyway, Ma.
Happy cooking, happy eating.
Bye.
Bye.